Hey guys, welcome to the course where we will be diving deeper into Deno.js world. So we'll start with quick introduction, then we'll go on learn main features of Deno.js and the coding part. So the first is introduction. So let's start with that. First of all, let's ask the question, what's Deno.js? So Deno is a simple, modern, and secure runtime for JavaScript like Node.js. And it uses a TypeScript and V8 as a machine engine, and it's built in Rust language. Okay, but why Deno? Why Deno came out? So it's based on modern features of the JavaScript language, and it has an extensive standard libraries that we will be using. For example, HTTP file system, and others are some examples of that standard library system. So it has a TypeScript as its core. What does that mean? The whole project that you want to write with Deno should be written in TypeScript. We'll have a crash course on TypeScript in this course. We'll not get into too much details. I will just give you some introduction to get some insights in TypeScript. So it's just a superset of JavaScript, and we'll learn about that in the next videos. So it supports ES6 models or ES models. So importing and exporting models are supported here as well. It has no package manager. So we'll compare Deno and Node in the next slide. So I'm just saying the features of Deno.js and why do we use that. So it has a first class await. Okay, the whole scope that we are writing in, it has asynchronous functionality, so we can write await right away. Let's say it like this. So we'll learn about what is first class or top level await in the next slides. So it aims to be browser compatible. So that's why it supports fetch and global window classes. Let's say a fetch API as well. So that's what Deno is. It newly came out in 20th May of this year by the Node.js creator Dale. So he said while he was creating Node.js, and after he had some problems with that, and that's why he wanted to create a better version of Node.js. But Node.js is not going anywhere. It will be here for years. Okay, but Deno.js is a better version of that. It's not recommended to write projects Deno.js for now because it's not that stable. It can have some changes in the near future. That's why it's recommended to just write experimental projects and be ready for future of JavaScript in backend. So let's move on and compare Deno and Node. So Node.js is based on C++ and uses V8 engine. Deno is based on Rust, uses again V8 engine. Okay, you can ask what's V8 engine. It's just an engine which supports JavaScript to compile in backend. Okay, you can search about it. Chrome developed V8 engine to support JavaScript better. Once a Node app is running, it can easily access the file system or network, for example, in Node.js. So whenever you are running a Node app, you can access network, you can access files without giving permission to the Node. But Deno requires person running the Deno app to first allow what Deno wants to do. So the biggest disadvantage of Node.js was that permissions. There wasn't any permission system, but Deno solves this problem, and it requires anyone who wants to do something with Deno, the permission should be given. We'll learn about the permissions. So Node.js uses npm as a package manager, while Deno doesn't rely on npm at all. What does that mean? We just import things from URL. We'll learn about this. It's very cool feature, but it can have some drawbacks. I will talk about that as well. Okay, That's all about the introduction. The next video we'll learn the basics of TypeScript in one video. It will be a little bit long video. Then we will continue with Deno and learn its main features.